Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in AppSec's online sport and assignments tutorial for week 10. I am Zubia Razak from APS Thamni. The grade is 9 and subject is biology. Recipe is chapter number 8, nutrition, and objective is at the end of this week you would be able to understand about digestion in human from textbook pages 157 to 159. Task 1, that is human digestion. Our cells require oxygen, water, salts, amino acids, simple sugars, fatty acids, and vitamins. These can cross cell membranes to enter cells. Amino acids, simple sugars, and fatty acids are rare in our environment. Such substances are usually parts of larger molecules like proteins, polysaccharides, and lipids, which cannot cross the membranes. There is a need of converting such large and non-diffusible molecules into smaller and diffusible molecules that can cross the membranes. This is achieved through the process of this digestion. We eat mutton and digest its proteins into amino acids. These amino acids are used to synthesize our protein. So here are the steps of digestion. The first stage of nutrition. First one is ingestion. Second is digestion. Third is absorption. And fourth is egestion. After digestion, the diffusible molecules from the digestive system reach body cells through blood. Here they are assimilated to get energy and to synthesize our own structures. At the same time, the indigestible parts of the food is eliminated out of the body through the process of defecation. In simple words, the nutrition in humans comprises the following steps. First one is ingestion. This is the consumption of or taking of nutrients. Digestion, the chemical breakdown of large organic molecules into smaller components by enzymes. Absorption, the transport or delivery of digested nutrients to the body tissues. Assimilation, it is the conversion of absorbed food into the substances of the body. Last one is egestion, the elimination of food waste materials from the body, and it is also called as defecation. So here are the steps of the digestion. First one is ingestion, taking food into the body. Second one is digestion, breaking down food. Third one is absorption, moving food into the cells. Fourth one is assimilation, making food part of cell. Elimination is the last step, and it is the removing of unused food. So this cat has defecated the unused food. And now I will discuss about the human alimentary canal. It comprises of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. So here is the model of human digestive system that consists of a long tube that extends from the mouth and ends at anus. Its main sections are oral cavity, which is also known as mouth. Second one is pharynx. Third one is esophagus. Fourth one stomach. Fifth one small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. In addition, there are many glands associated with alimentary canal. These are in the form of 3 pairs of salivary glands which are present in mouth, a pancreas, and a liver. And now I will discuss about the oral cavity, in which selection, grinding, and partial digestion of food takes place. Oral cavity is the space behind mouth and has many important functions in the whole process of digestion. The first step is food selection, and I'm sure that your salivary glands are releasing saliva after watching this delicious food. When this food enters oral cavity, it is tasted and felt. If the taste of this food is good, then you will eat. The senses of smell and vision also help oral cavity in the selection of food. For example, this peach is rotten, then you will not eat this, and it has a foul smell. And your tongue will also reject these hairs, this type of stones, and this shell. I have taken the bite of an apple and I am chewing and grinding this bite of apple with the help of my teeth. So this process is mastication. I am masticating with the help of my grinding teeth. Now the question is why this grinding is essential. This is useful because esophagus can pass only small pieces. Enzymes also cannot act on large pieces of food. They require small pieces with large surface area to attack. The third and fourth functions of oral cavity are lubrication and chemical digestion of food. This chewing stimulates 3 pairs of salivary glands which are present under tongue, behind jaws and in front of ears to release saliva in the oral cavity. This saliva adds water and mucus to food which act as lubricant to ease the passage of food through food tube which is known as esophagus. Saliva also contains an enzyme that is salivary amylase which helps in the semi-digestion of starch. If in this food starch is present, then half of the starch is digested inside my mouth. Check the shape of the bite. During the processes of chewing, lubrication and semi-digestion, the pieces of food are rolled up by the tongue into small, slippery and spherical mass called bolus. So this is bolus and it is round in shape. We swallow bolus and push it in esophagus through pharynx. In my next video lecture, you will consider this spherical mass as bolus. And in next video lectures, I will discuss how bolus will pass through this alimentary canal and at the end it will move toward anus. And I will discuss about the pharynx and esophagus, swallowing and peristalsis in my next video lecture, and also the tasks of homework task 1 and all the details. Thank you and have a nice day.